Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, August 1st. Ongoing cruise issues. Following a week of repairs and a canceled sailing last month, Celebrity Beyond is back in service, but not at full speed. Celebrity Cruises says the ship will operate with adjusted itineraries on several sailings through October. Now, a letter to guests says, quote, due to a reduced sailing speed and to help ensure our journey remains smooth, comfortable, and above all safe, we've adjusted our call times in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and at Phillipsburg, St. Martin. The ship's mechanical issues forced the vessel into dry dock last month, delaying one cruise and canceling the next. These letters went to guests on multiple itineraries through the end of October. And the passengers that were left behind in Hilo, Hawaii during a tsunami alert have now rejoined NCL's Pride of America. The cruise ship departed early on July 29th due to an emergency order following that earthquake off Russia's Pacific coast. Now, guests on the excursions were sheltered at a local high school, while others were told to seek higher ground. After authorities cleared the harbor on July 30th, the ship returned and stranded passengers were bussed back and reboarded. NCL says safety was the top priority, and the ship has since resumed its inter-island itinerary. And Carnival Cruise Line is dealing with an unexpected buzz at its new private destination, Celebration Key. Guests have reported swarms of bees across the property, raising concerns for those with allergies. Now, Carnival says it's taking steps to reduce bee activity, especially in those public areas, including relocating hives and modifying local vegetation. First aid stations are stocked with allergy treatments, and over-the-counter remedies are available at vending machines throughout the property. Carnival tells guests with bee allergies to carry personal medication and stay alert while the issue is addressed. And the photo of the week comes from Mark. Harmony of the Seas docked I don't know where. If you do, let me know in the comments. You can send your photos at cruiseradio.net. All photos are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were mostly down on Thursday. Carnival Corporation down 1%, 29.77. Royal Caribbean down 4%, 317.72. Norwegian up 9%, 25.59. And Viking down 0.5%, 58.71. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.